We are going to see the sum, fifth sum. In a market survey, 3 commodities B and C were considered. In the finding out the index number, some fixed the weight were assigned to the 3 varieties in each of the commodities. The table below provides the information regarding the consumption of 3 commodities according to the 3 varieties and also the height and also the total weight received by commodities. And they have given the tabular column. Okay, the commodity varieties, total weight, then 1, 2, 3, then 11 they have given, then B 2, 4, 5, 21, then C 3, 5, 6, then 27. They said to find the weight assigned to the 3 varieties by using the Cramer's rule, they have said. Okay, first of all we are going to write the given equations for this one. So solution, let the weight assigned to the 3 varieties B rupees X, then comma rupees Y and rupees Z respectively. Okay, so from this one we are going to do the sum. From the given data, by the given data, x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 11, 2x plus 4y plus 5z equal to 21, then 3x plus 5y plus 6z equal to 27. So this we are writing from the given question in the tabular column. So likewise we are writing. Next we are finding the del. So del is equal to 1, 2, 3, then 2, 4, 5, then 3, 5, 6. Then we are using the expanding the row 1 expansion. We are expanding 4, 5, then 5, 6. Then minus 2 into 2, 5, 3, 6. Then plus 3 into 2, 4, 3, 5. Next what we have to do it, we have to just multiply it. 24 minus 25, then minus 2 into 12 minus 15, then plus 3 into 10 minus 12. So that is equal to 1 into minus 1, then minus 2 into minus 3, then plus 3 into minus 2. So minus 1 plus 6 minus 6. So what is the answer? Minus 1, that is not equal to 0. This 6 and minus 6 will get cancelled. So next what we are going to do, we are going to, next the del is not equal to 0 means we can proceed to the del x. So del x equal to 11, 2, 3, then 21, 4, 5, then 27, 5, 6. So that implies 11 into 4, 5, 5, 6. Then minus 2 into 21, 5, 27, 6. Then plus 3 into 21, 4, then 27, 5. Next we have to multiply it. So 24 minus 25, then minus 2 into 126 minus 135, then plus 3 into 105 minus 108. Then 11 into minus 1, then minus 2 into minus 9, then 3 into minus 3. So that implies minus 11 plus 18 minus 9. So minus 2. Okay. So this if you subtract means this one what you will be getting 7, and here what will 9, so minus 2. So same wise next is del y. So del y same wise instead of this y determinant you will change it. So remaining you have to 2, 3, then 3, 5, 6 you write it. Next you just expand it. 21, 5, 27, 6. Next minus 11, 2, 5, then 3, 6. Then plus 3, then 2, 21, 3, 27. Okay. So next what you have to do, then we are going to, after expanding you are going to multiply it. So 1 into, that is 1 into 126 minus 135, then minus 11 into 12 minus 15, then plus 3 into 54 minus 63. So that is equal to 1 into minus 9, then minus 11 into minus 3, plus 3 into minus 9. So minus 9 plus 33, then minus 27. So what will be the answer will be getting? Minus 3 will be getting. So same wise del z. So del z equal to 1 to 11, then 2, 4, 21, then 3, 5, 27. Then you just expand it, 4, 21, 5, 27. Then minus 2, 2, 3, 21, 27. Then plus 11, 2, 4, 3, 5. Okay, so then what we have to do? We have to just multiply it. So 1 into 108 minus 105, then minus 2 into 54 minus 63, then plus 11 into 10 minus 12. So that implies 1 into 3 minus 2 into 9 plus 11 into minus 2. So that implies 3 plus 18 minus 22. So what will be the answer is minus 1. Next is we have to find out the x. X in the sense del x by del. So what will be the answer? Minus 2 by minus 1 is 2. Next y is equal to del y by del. So that implies minus 3 by minus 1. So 3. Then is it equal to del z by del. So that implies minus 1 by minus 1. So that is 1. So therefore hence the weights assigned to the 3 varieties are 2, 3 and 1 respectively.